Hello, so today we're going to be learning how to prepare two delicious ways to eat an avocado with egg. So let's begin the process. So the first thing is that we are going to be using two eggs for this process. Then I'm going to be using one of the avocado pear, the avocado, and I'm going to be cutting 6 bananas and divide the avocado into two, then wash and scrub the back of the avocado with salt to remove any dusty particle. Then divide the avocado into two. Thereafter, you peel the back and blend. Also remove the back of the banana and add to the avocado, then blend. Added onions, so let's add the two eggs, then add your vegetable oil, now I just added the blended items, that is the avocado pear, the egg, the onions, and banana. Then cover the pan. And this is the finishing result. So let's move to method 2, avocado fried egg. So I decided to use one of this, half of the remaining avocado, then the other half is in my stomach. Then I'm going to be using one egg, but before then I decided to add a pinch of salt, then added my vegetable oil, then the avocado. Then I decided to break the egg inside the whole of the avocado, then fry it, flipping it several times. And this is how it looks like. This is how I enjoy my avocado fried egg. And this is the finishing result. And this is the first method I've actually started eating it. And this is the second method. It's very delicious and healthy. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you do not miss any of my weekly contents.